Hi beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you the quickest way to peel your beans for your delicious Nigerian moimoi. This method is very fast and easy, and you can achieve this with only 5 to 10 minutes. So join me as I do it. The first step is to soak your beans for about 2 to 3 minutes. You do not have to soak it for too long because it may get too soft and it can break when you're trying to use the blender to remove the skin. After soaking your beans, the next step will be to transfer your beans to the blender. Add water to a high level. So in this video, I'll be sharing my beans into two parts. That's because I do not want the water to be the beans to be too much, and so I will have space to put enough water to give my beans a good blend. So using the pause button, or if you don't have the pause button in your blender, you can just blend and stop for about 10 to 15 seconds. Do that for about 6 different times, and it would help to descale the beans, to help the loosen the skin from the beans. Then the next step would be to transfer your beans to the filter using to a pot, using water, and filter out the chaff away. This method is super easy, beginners friendly, and so if you love to make a very quick moimoi or akara, this method is something you can do. For me, what I do on the days I have time, because my kids loves to eat moimoi, what I do is I do this in bulk, put them in Ziploc bags and store in the fridge. So whenever I need to make a quick dinner or something, let's say moimoi or akara, I just bring out this and blend them straight up, and then I get my lovely, delicious akara or moimoi. So you wash the beans till the water runs clear. So for me, I think I did that about 6 to 8 times, just washing it. So remember that if you are in a country whereby you need to save water, you can reuse this water. All you need to do is to put a pot underneath so you can reuse it. And when you want to give a final rinse, you can rinse that off with clean water. That's not my situation right now, so I am not reusing it. So this is the finished product of the first batch. It's looking all clean. So I've transferred the next batch into the blender, and using the pause button, I'm just pressing it for a few seconds and stopping just like this. Pressing it for a few seconds. I did this about 5-6 times, and that was my beans ready to wash out the beans skin. And so I put it out and transferred it into a bowl and rinse until the water turns clear. This is a very easy method, and it's the quickest. Overall, I did this in less than 10 minutes, and this is the finished product. Is this something you would try? I will encourage you to try this and you would love it. Bye. Until I see you in my next video. Stay well.